What do you do if you want to get your medical records from a hospital or a medical provider and they won't provide them to you? Well, first what you want to do is you want to call them and ask them for the medical records. You want to fill out whatever HIPAA forms they want. You want to request these in writing. You want to offer and be able to pay the reasonable copying costs under Missouri Statutes Section 191 to get those. And Missouri and Illinois both have powerful statutes that if they refuse to provide medical records to you, you can sue them and a court can order them to give the medical records to you. Now, what if it's for a loved one who's incapacitated, or what if it's a family member, father, or somebody who's deceased and you want to get those medical records? As the next of kin, or the personal representative of the state, or the representative of the family, you still are entitled to those records. Nothing in HIPAA, the Health Information Privacy and Portability Act, prevents them or makes it so that they can't give you those records. Now, however, getting records for a deceased person is very hard. I fight it all the time. I did a blog the other day where we had to prepare a lawsuit and send it to the hospital in order for them to give us the medical records of the gentleman who we were trying to get the records for. So be insistent on getting your medical records. They have to give you all the records, not just the bills, not just the doctor's notes, everything cover to cover. And medical records, notes, tests, lab reports, x-rays, MRIs, CTs, other consulting physicians' notes they get from other people, the anesthesia records, the bills. There's a whole host of stuff. And if it's an electronic record, they have to give you that too. Sometimes what I do is I ask them to give it to me in a digital format on a disk or a thumb drive or zip drive, and then that saves you money on copying. But a healthcare provider owes a duty, and there are clear rules that mandate that they provide you your medical records in a reasonable, timely fashion if you pay them a reasonable cost of copy, and that's also set out in statute, and the statutes also provide your right to get them. If you ever have a problem ultimately getting your medical records, you have a question about that, call me, Gary Berger, at Berger Law on our toll-free number at 866-599-2222 in Illinois at 618-272-2222 or Missouri at 314-542-2222. Thank you.